In your kitchen area, it comes with a granite countertop, base cabinet, overhead cabinet, provision for radiation, and your kitchen sink. This area could be your living or dining space. This is your service area of washing machine cabinet. So this is your bucket and bath. And your bedroom. This is your secondary bedroom. And your master's bedroom. In your master's bedroom, you have an access to your bathroom. All bedroom comes with a provision for a window-type aircon. If you're interested to acquire to any DMCI codes from